Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to create main menu with Manychat. So, in order for you to do that, just simply go to automation on the left side over here, guys. And now once you are here, just simply go for the basic over here on the left side again. And now over here, just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here main menu. So from here, just simply click on set up over here. And now you can add a menu item over here. And now from here, let's say I'm gonna go for rates over here. And after that, you can add a menu item as well. So let's say I'm gonna go for opening hours. And now if you want to edit it, you can just simply click on create new message over here. And it will redirect you to the workflow and just simply click on new trigger over here and just simply go for user send a message. And now from here, go for the text specific words in a message. And I'm gonna go for a keyword over here. And I'm gonna go for opening and add another keyword. I'm gonna go for hours. And now from here, let's say I'm gonna go for another keyword, which is close. And after that, just simply click on create down below. And now, once I have done that, I'm gonna go for send a message over here, and I can just simply provide what is my opening hours over here. So let's say this is my opening hours, and from here, once you are done, you can just simply click on set live over here, the top right, and you should be able to have this working. And now, if we want to go back, you can just simply click on over here, default menu, and click on done. And from here, you can do the same thing on the rates as well. You can just simply create a new message and do the same process that I did. And from here, just simply click on update menu on the top right and make sure to enable it. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.